Battery replacement on a 2023 Toyota Corolla. We're going to be removing the battery. It sits right behind the air filter here. First step is going to be removing the negative battery cable post with the 10mm wrench. Remove that. Now we're going to do the positive side. Same thing. Just go ahead and remove it. Loosen it up first. Okay. Let's go ahead and put it over here in the back a little bit. So now the battery is disconnected from the car. Now it's still being held down by this bracket here. This is a 12mm. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Okay. Now we can get the battery out. Let's go ahead and reinstall the battery, brand new battery. Example, obviously. Put the battery in place. We're going to put the clip back in, the hold down. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to start off with the positive battery cable first. So go ahead and put that in, just like that. With a 10mm ratchet, you tighten it down. Now this does have to be nice and tight and snug, because obviously we don't want these to come loose, because then the car will not start. Now, feels nice and tight. You don't want to over tighten it, but just snug and then a good quarter turn. And then you test it by making sure that it doesn't move back and forth. Now we got the positive side on, now we can do the negative. You might get a little bit of spark, but not a big deal. That's perfect. You tighten it down with your 10mm wrench. Make sure it's nice and snug, and wiggle it back and forth, make sure it's not loose, and that's how you replace the battery.